February 2007. Start. Mr. Speaker, Sir, I thank you very much for the opportunity given to me to participate in the general discussion on the interim budget presented to the House by the Honorable Finance Minister. I do not want to take much of the time of the House. I will only highlight some of the salient features in the interim budget. I would like to point out that for the first time ever, this government has ensured that every household in the state receives a ration card. So far, nearly 2 crore families have not received ration cards after the difficult process of issue of new ration cards and renewal of old ration cards was completed. I would also like to say that this government has adapted universal access to the public distribution system. Those who want to take rice have been allowed to draw their full quota irrespective of their family income. Thus, this government has ensured food security to all the people in the state. Next, I would like to point out that large sums of money have been allotted for the Health and Family Welfare Department. I am very glad to note that a number of primary health centers have been upgraded into hospitals. In this connection, I wish to point out that this government has also provided huge sums of money for purchase of medicines and drugs to the hospitals in the state. This is a great achievement. In the field of education, I wish to point out that many schools have been upgraded and infrastructure facilities have been provided to them. The huge investment on education will have a remarkable impact on improving the enrollment and achievement rates in schools. I am happy to note that free textbooks have been provided to all students studying in government and aided schools. I am very happy to note that this government has laid great emphasis on the provision of protected drinking water supply to all the rural habitations in the state. This government has taken effective steps to provide safe drinking water in the urban areas, and water supply improvement schemes have been taken up in several towns. I would like to point out that this government has provided large sums of money in the budget for improvement of the road network in Chennai and other areas and construction of bridges. With these words, I conclude my speech. Dear sirs, we have great pleasure in submitting herewith our lowest offer in duplicate as required by you in the prescribed form for the supply of industrial equipments. We are sure that you will find our offer will compare most favorably with any supplier. While we agree to the terms and conditions of the tender, we have to say that we offer on two terms of the tender. The first one is as per your terms and conditions, goods should be delivered within 20 days from the date of order. In case we do not have stocks of the materials you order, we shall have to get them from our head office and this will cause some delay, but we shall take every action to deliver within the stipulated time. In such a peculiar situation, we shall pray for an extension of time and the same should be granted. We await the pleasure of serving your great organization. Yours faithfully, Staff.